All right, guys. 66 Mustang motor. Get ready to put the water pump, thermostat housing in. Got a little bead of silicone on there. Not too much, because it'll make a giant mess. Got some liquid Teflon on the threads of the bolts, because they go in the coolant passages. Do the same thing for the thermostat housing. Sensor for the electric fan. We are not running a clutch fan on this guy, which I think is super cool. I believe it's got an aluminum radiator for it. So yeah, fun times. Get a little update here in a moment for you guys. All right, later. All right, guys. Well, bolting it up. Nice and neat. Gonna look for pulley bolts so you can get them cleaned up. Clean up one of the pulleys, get it painted so it matches. Satin black. Will look really good. Get all that stuff in here. And I'll start working on getting the alternator bolts, all that good stuff. And yeah, well, still gotta paint the transmission. But it's getting there. All right, guys. Later. All right, guys. About to paint the transmission for the 66 Mustang. We're gonna do, where you at? Aluminum, just like the bell housing. Give a little tacky, little spray real quick. We'll do it nice. Cover on it after that. All right, guys. Well, I'll get back to you on some more updates here in a few. All right, guys. Well, it's getting there. Put a heavy coat, last heavy coat on this side, and we're gonna flip it around and do the same thing. It's looking good. Looking good. All right, guys.